Welcome to Nerja, Spain. Nestled along the stunning Costa del Sol, Nerja is a hidden Mediterranean gem bursting with breathtaking beaches, charming streets, and incredible history. Whether you're here to explore its famous caves, soak up the sun on its golden shores, or wander through its picturesque old town, there's something for everyone. In today's video, we're counting down the 5 best things to do in Nerja. From secret coves and scenic viewpoints to delicious local cuisine and unforgettable adventures. So get ready to fall in love with this coastal paradise. Number 5. Balcony of Europe. Perched high above the Mediterranean, the Balcony of Europe in Nerja, Spain, offers one of the most breathtaking views on the Costa del Sol. Originally a 9th century fortress, this iconic viewpoint now stands as a beloved landmark, drawing visitors from all over the world. As you step onto the panoramic promenade, you'll be greeted by sweeping views of the turquoise sea, dramatic cliffs, and golden beaches stretching into the horizon. It's the perfect spot for a sunrise stroll or a romantic sunset moment. The Balcony of Europe gets its name from King Alfonso XII, who visited after an earthquake in the 1800s and declared, "This is the Balcony of Europe." His statue now stands at the viewpoint, making for a great photo op. Surrounded by charming cafes, street musicians, and souvenir shops, this lively area is the heart of Nerja. Grab a refreshing drink, listen to live Spanish guitar, and soak in the magical atmosphere. Whether you're here for stunning views, history, or just a peaceful escape, the Balcony of Europe is an absolute must-visit in Nerja. Would you stand on the edge and take in the beauty? Number 4. Cueva de Nerja. Deep beneath the surface of Nerja lies one of the most incredible underground wonders in Europe. The Cueva de Nerja. This vast cave system, stretching nearly 5 kilometers, is home to towering stalactites, prehistoric cave paintings, and massive chambers that will leave you in awe. Discovered in 1959 by a group of local boys, the caves are now one of Spain's most famous natural attractions. As you walk through the illuminated pathways, you'll see incredible rock formations, including the world's largest stalactite, standing over 32 meters, 105 feet, tall. But what makes the Nerja caves even more fascinating? Ancient cave art. These over 40,000-year-old paintings, believed to be created by Neanderthals, make this site one of the oldest known examples of human creativity. Visitors can explore several open chambers, each with unique rock formations and acoustics so impressive that concerts are even held inside. Located just 5 minutes from Nerja's center, this cave is a must-visit for history lovers, adventure seekers, and anyone looking to experience the magic of Spain's hidden treasures. Would you dare to step inside? Number 3. Trip to Frigiliana. Looking for the perfect day trip from Nerja? Just a 15-minute drive away, you'll find Frigiliana, one of the most beautiful white villages in Spain. Nestled in the hills of Andalusia, Frigiliana is a postcard-perfect town with cobbled streets, whitewashed houses, and colorful flower pots lining every corner. It's no wonder it's often called one of the prettiest villages in Spain. Start your visit by strolling through the old town, where narrow alleyways lead you to hidden courtyards and breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. Don't forget to stop at El Torreon, a historic granary that now serves as a lookout point. For history lovers, the Archaeological Museum and the Moorish Quarter reveal the town's fascinating past, while foodies will love trying the famous local honey and wine. Feeling adventurous? Hike up to El Fuerte, a hilltop fortress with spectacular panoramic views of the coastline and surrounding mountains. Whether you're exploring its charming streets, indulging in local cuisine, or soaking in the scenery, Frigiliana is a must-visit on your trip to Nerja. So grab your camera and get ready for a magical Spanish escape. Number 2. Rio Chillar. Rio Chillar is the perfect place to explore. This scenic river trail takes you through crystal-clear waters, lush canyons, and hidden waterfalls, making it one of the most exciting hikes in southern Spain. Unlike a typical hike, The Rio Chillar Trail lets you walk through the river itself. That's right. You'll be splashing through shallow streams, wading through refreshing pools, and even climbing small waterfalls along the way. The full route can take several hours, but you can turn back whenever you like. Just make sure to wear water shoes and bring plenty of water and snacks. Along the way, you'll discover stunning rock formations, shaded gorges, and tranquil swimming spots, the perfect escape from the summer heat. If you're in Nerja and love nature and adventure, Rio Chillar is a must-do experience. Number 1. Burriana Beach. If you're visiting Nerja, Burriana Beach is a spot you can't miss. Located just a short walk from the town center, this stunning blue flag beach is one of the most popular in the area, and for good reason. With its golden sand, crystal clear waters, and a lively promenade, Burriana Beach is the perfect place to relax, swim, or try out exciting water sports like paddleboarding, kayaking, and even jet skiing. Looking for amazing food? This beach is home to some of Nerja's best chiringuitos, beachside restaurants. Be sure to stop by Restaurante Ayo, famous for its giant paella cooked over an open fire. It's a must-try. If you prefer a more laid-back vibe, just rent a sun lounger, sip on a refreshing tinto de verano, and soak in the Mediterranean views. Whether you're here for adventure, great food, or just to unwind, Burriana Beach is the ultimate beach day destination in Nerja.